Hi everyone, welcome to Back Daily English Plus channel. It's so nice to have you here with us today. This channel helps you speak English more naturally and confidently. That is the best way to improve your English. Today we talk about internet sites. Nowadays, the internet has become a big part of our lives. Personally, the website I use most often is YouTube.
Which internet site do you commonly use? In today's world, many people use the internet every day. They visit different websites to study, watch videos, shop, or stay in touch with friends. But which internet site do you commonly use? Let us explore some popular examples. First, many people use social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, or Twitter. They check news, share photos, chat with friends, and follow interesting pages. These websites are easy to use and helpful for staying connected. Secondly, a lot of students use educational sites such as British Council's Learn English, Duolingo, or Quizlet. These websites help learners study vocabulary, grammar, and reading. For example, Learn English offers lesson texts, exercises, and tests. Another common type is news websites like BBC News, VOA Learning English, or Simple English Wikipedia. These sites provide up-to-date articles. VOA and Simple English Wikipedia use easier language. Wikipedia is a good choice since you can find articles on any topic that might interest you. You'll also learn a lot of new vocabulary by reading those articles. If you want news, USA Today is a national newspaper in the US. Since it's national and they're writing for a broad audience, the reading level isn't as difficult as something like the New York Times. If you like science and technology, Scientific American has lots of good articles on new research and discoveries, while the magazine covers science and technology topics. It's intended for a general audience, so the articles are usually not too difficult to read, but they will have some science and tech-related vocabulary, of course. If you like travel and history and culture, National Geographic might be of interest to you. Some of the articles might be a little harder since they cover different scientific fields, but you can just look at it as an opportunity to learn some scientific vocabulary. Many people also use entertainment and video sites such as YouTube or TED Talks. On YouTube, users find cooking videos, travel vlogs, or language lessons. TED Talks are also helpful. They offer subtitles and clear speech, ideal for improving listening skills. YouTube is a very popular video sharing website where people can watch and upload videos. I use it almost every day because it offers a lot of useful and interesting content. For example, I watch educational videos to improve my English skills. There are many channels that teach grammar, vocabulary, and pronunciation in a simple and fun way. This helps me learn at my own pace and repeat lessons if I don't understand something. Besides learning, I also use YouTube for entertainment. When I feel tired or bored, I watch funny videos, music clips, or travel vlogs. These videos help me relax and enjoy my free time. Sometimes I also watch news channels to stay updated about what is happening around the world. Another reason I like YouTube is that it is easy to use. You can search for any topic and there are thousands of videos available. It is also free, which makes it accessible for everyone. Online shopping sites like Amazon or eBay are also common. People buy clothes, books, electronics, and other items. These sites often show product reviews and ratings, which help users decide before buying. Finally, search engines like Google or Bing are essential. Whenever someone wants to know something, they type a question and find many different answers. Search engines are the gateway to the entire internet. In my case, I often visit British Council's Learn English website. It helps me practice reading and listen to podcasts. I also use YouTube to watch language lesson videos. I think these two sites help a lot in improving my English.